In the 1980s, English author and parapsychology researcher Alfred Rupert Sheldrake claimed something very controversial. He proposed that living things are able to tap into a non-local field of consciousness that exists beyond the physical brain. This field is sometimes referred to as the biosphere, or the universal mind. But what exactly he tried to tell us? Let's imagine if consciousness wasn't just a product of our brains, but something much more vast and interconnected. That's the idea behind the BioEtherium Hypothesis, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality and suggests we're all part of a universal field of consciousness. If the BioEtherium Hypothesis is true, it could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It suggests that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, and that we are all connected in ways we never imagined. It could also lead to new developments in fields like medicine, psychology, and even physics. But here's the main story. While the BioEtherium Hypothesis remains controversial, there is some evidence to support it. Studies have shown that plants can communicate with each other and respond to changes in their environment. Animals can sense the emotions of other animals, and even humans. Even people who meditate regularly report feeling more connected to others and the world around them, whether or not it is true. It raises important questions about our place in the universe and our connection to all living things. What do you think about the BioEtherium Hypothesis? Do you believe in the existence of a non-local field of consciousness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. I provided key points in the description to understand more about BioEtherium, and I hope you learned something new, and that it sparked your curiosity about the nature of consciousness. And before bye, always remember, our evolutionary journey must be accelerated.